Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. I want to show you something you may not have seen in the past. Number one, the GMC Yukon power sliding center console, but one feature with it that you may not have known was here. Now, here's what's going to happen. You got your center console right here. There's a couple of different options. You might need to bring the drinks that are in the drink holders back here, back to your rear seat passengers. So how do you actually move this? Well, here's what we're going to do. The button is right here. So I'm going to hold this button down and here's what's going to happen. Now it does bring everything back. I'm being somewhat facetious about the drinks, but this does a couple of things for you. Number one, it gives you access to that drawer right there, a little bit of extra storage space. But one thing you'll notice that you no longer have. This has actually used the lid as an armrest for the driver and the passenger. So all of a sudden that's gone. Well, not exactly. You can actually move it forward that far. Now it's a little bit more of a usable armrest. It would be nice if it came up a tick further, but it does work that way, and that also means there's a little bit of extra space back here as far as where your passengers can put their snacks or whatever the case is. And I'm going to hit the button up here and let you see what happens when I bring that forward again. You don't have to do anything at all because it's automatically going to put the lid back in place. Some of you may or may not have known about all of that functionality. Tell me down in the comments. If there's another tutorial, a question you might have about the GMC Yukon for the 2025 or 2026 model years, tell me down in the comments section. Thanks for taking the time to watch. We'll see you next time.